Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with us again. We are moving today to Gili, Trawangan, and from here to drive to Bangsal Harbor, it will take around 35 minutes, the shorter way. But we want to go to the hilly area, and of course, we will share with you the view, guys, because we remembered last time our trip from Mataram to Gili through Bangsal Harbor. The view was very good, and today we're planning to go there and drive along that area again. Yeah, and let's see the view together. And from here, it will take us around 40 minutes to Bangsal Harbor, and we will take the boat there. There are a few options of boat. I think the price around 25,000 rupiah with the local boats, with the fast boat, or there are other options, and the prices, of course, will be higher, around 85,000 rupiah, and the boat, it will take only like maybe 20 minutes, guys, to go to Gili Trawangan. So yeah, let's go and see, and let's enjoy the drive. Hi. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. Look at this view here, guys. Beautiful view, isn't it? This is at Malimbu Hill. It's very famous also for the sunset point here. It's beautiful view, and there is a big hotel down there. I don't know what is the name of the hotel. Yeah. Okay, let's continue driving. It is really nice to drive in this kind of street. It's quiet, shade, beautiful view. Even though there are some hotels were built, but still pretty, I can say, because long time ago when I passed by here on the way from Gili to Mataram, there was nothing around here, guys. It's only trees and views. But now, yeah, there are some big hotels around here, which is it is good for the local people, so they can find jobs here. Anyway, let's just enjoy driving, enjoy the atmosphere. This is Malacca Hill, guys, and from here we can see the Gili Trawangan, Gili Air, and also Gili Meno. So we need to drive all the way to the Bangsal there. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's keep driving. Let's enjoy the view. This is Pandanan Beach, guys. Welcome to Pandanan Beach. Beautiful beach, quiet, clean. Welcome to Pandanan. Finally, we have arrived here at Bangsal Port. If you drive your scooter, you can keep it here. You just need to pay only like $1, like 15,000 for one night, guys. So yeah, and there are a few shops doing the service here as well. Tirta Park here, and here also. Yeah, so you can keep your scooter here. It's really busy. A lot of tourists want to go to Gili, mostly to Gili Trawangan. And we can have the tickets as well. They have a lot of counters here, but we're trying to go to get the tickets, which is the boat one, that the normal boat, the local boat. What you call ma? The boat ma? What boat is that we are going?
Wood.
The wood. Normally they will carry the logistics, and also they will carry people as well to go to Gili Trawangan. And yeah, let's go. Oh, mau ke Gili Trawangan. Anyway, talking about the tickets, yeah, we have two tickets here. We have public boats and also we have fast boat, and the price is, of course, is quite big different.
Yeah.
Yeah, one person maybe like public boat, maybe just 25,000 rupiah. Yeah, so this is the price for the public boat, guys. Just 25k. And they have also speedboat price. It's right there, destination. Gili Air, Gili Meno, and Gili Trawangan. Around 300, 350, and 400 here. Speedboat. And here is the public boat. Last time we took this boat as well, but the difference is now they have the good, yeah. They have upgraded the waiting area here. Each boat will carry 40 to 45 people, so we just need to wait, and there is no fixed timing. As long as one boat got 45 or 40 people, then there we go. It is pretty close, yeah. You can see from here. That one, Gili Air, I think, Gili Meno and Trawangan. Yeah, so let's just wait here. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Last time we came here, it was in 2019. So let's see. Probably a lot of changing, but hope we have good time here, yeah? Yeah. Hold me. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, what is this? A lot of constructions happening here. We will stay at Royal Regan 3, so it's about 26 minutes walk from here. With a baby, I think she will, maybe we will get, ini berapa? Sampai besok ya, 150. Ya ada, ini aja nama. Ya. Oke, Dek. Oke lah, inilah. Okay, where is our hotel? Royal Regan Trees. Hello. It's good to see happy people here. It's a big change now, yeah. Before we didn't have any like electric bike like this. We used to paddles a lot, not paddles, cycles a lot. But now much easier. I couldn't recognize where we were before. So everything looks new now. But there's a restaurant here. Gili Paddy. I think we will arrive at our hotel soon. But look at this kid. They are very small, but they have electric bike. It's a bit scary to see. Okay, let's go to the right. And where is the hotel? So cute. Hey, there is the horse.
It's hard.
Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah. You want to ride a horse?
No, I will later.
Oh, well, later.
Yeah.
You can ride horse tomorrow at Mataram, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, there is a small warung, cute warung here. What is this? Oh, they are selling Indonesian food. Maybe we can have lunch to this place later. It should be nice to see it here in the middle of the field, but look at that constructions. A lot of constructions ongoing. More and more buildings. Unfortunately, some more goats here. Yeah. Eating grass, having lunch. Yes,
Why?
because the food for the goat is grass. We eat rice, the goat eat grass. And right here is our hotel, I think. Royal Regan Trees. This one in the front. Okay, we are arriving. Okay, finally we have arrived at our hotel. Ooh, we have coffee here. Espresso, single espresso price is 35k. Double espresso 40k. Latte 50k, and also we have the pastries here. Looks good. And you can have welcome drink for free. What juice is that? Is it orange juice? Okay, if you cannot finish, you give mama, yeah?
You what?
You drink first. You didn't like it? Okay, give it to mama. Oh? Hey, you have to finish it and then put the glass here. This time, let's go and see the hotel, and I will have some rest first. Maybe tonight during or sunset time, I will go and show you around Gili, guys. Okay. Well, look at this. Following us. Oh, that is the pool there. Okay. Let's go and see the pool. Oh, they have big pool. It's very good pool anyway. It's very clean. It's quite big. Let's see. Ooh, it's nice. You can swim all the way until there. Okay, let's go and see the room. She wants to open. Oh, okay. Wow, very nice, very good. Nice and cold, strong aircon. Woo. Yeah, basically this is the room. It's a big mirror here. Ooh, nice bed, big one. Couch and painting, and they have sofa here. And this is the big TV. You can watch TV now. Here, safety box, fridge, and wardrobe. And right here. And here is the shower, sink, with some amenities as well. Soap, shampoo, and toothbrush, which is good. And we have towel and toilet. How much do we pay, Ma?
527.
527. So the price is 527, including breakfast. I think it's very good deal, isn't it? What are you doing?
I'm watching it.
Which one?
That one.
And we have a bit of view here. We can see the pool. Yeah, I think that's all for this time video. If you like to stay here at this Royal Regentrix Hotel, I think we have a good deal, just 527,000 rupiah including breakfast with a nice room. And the location is also very good, guys. They have the pool, and they have also a movie every night at the beach. Maybe we will see later, start by 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. So see you again at the next time, and bye bye bye. Bye bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.